Okay, so you'll have your sticker, and it's got a clear film on the front that is called transfer tape. So the blue will be the backing, and I already pre-peeled yours, so the clear should peel off and the white decal stick to it. So everything should be lined up properly. So you'll want to take this and figure out where you want it on the vehicle. And so I want to put mine here. I'm just going to take a piece of painter's tape. And this painter's tape will just kind of act like a hinge. So get it exactly where you want it, and then put it on there like that so it'll stay in place. Now you can peel this up and peel the backing off. Make sure not to touch any of the letters. And static kind of holds it there in place. With these long decals, it's kind of hard. Kind of let it flop into place. I made a little mistake here. I may end up with a wrinkle in mine, but I don't know if I can get that out. Once the letters stick, a lot of times they don't want to come back off. But ideally what you want to do is smooth it from the middle out. I think it'll be all right. And just apply some good pressure to the letter areas. Sometimes you can take like an old gift card or a credit card or something and run it along there to get some real good pressure over the letters. And then peel your transfer tape off at an angle down. And if you see any of the letters starting to come with it, apply some more pressure. There we go. So now your other long logo for the side of the window, I do have on that one, I've got the backing that's split in two places. So you can actually get that in place and just peel the one side up and peel the backing off, smooth it down, and then lift this whole other side, peel the backing off, and smooth it down like this, and then do the last little piece. And that'll get you a nice straight line along the bottom. So this other side, you can see I put my painter's tape here on the edge, hoping this will give me a little better control. So again, I'll use that as a hinge. Pull this all the way back. And doing it this way, I can actually just fold a little portion of my backing over. And I'll just start with my thumb and start to run it smooth. And this way I can check the alignment of the rest of my decal. And once it looks good, I can just kind of work this. Of course, you want to watch to make sure all of your letters are coming off on the transfer tape. down. And then peel your transfer off, holding it flat against the glass at an angle. If you peel it up like this, it may peel your letters off with it. Doing this kind of forces the letters back into the glass. Everything feels like it's stuck pretty good. There we go.